Alright, welcome to my channel. Okay, today we are trying to run our first Python program. Now, Python is a programming language, that's a high-level programming language used for running, used to make applications, and also it can be used to make either console applications or normal applications. So Python is quite easy. So to run a Python application, you can start by first of all making a folder on a desktop screen. Just right click, come down to new, you can choose folder, then you can call it my first Python program. Alright, and also you will need to, let me rename that very quickly, you will need to install Python IDLE or PyCharm. So I have my Python IDLE installed already. You can just Google that. So I'll search for the IDLE down here, IDLE. You can say I have IDLE Python 3.10. I'll click on open and it will open up the Python IDLE for us. It's coming up very quickly. Alright, so now we need to create a Python file. So all Python files are created in .py extension. So I'll click on file, I'll choose new file. Alright, then you can see it's showing what's untitled. I'll click on file again, then I'll come down to save as. Alright, then I'll select desktop and I'll choose my folder, that's my Python program folder, select it. Now this folder is used for arrangement and also to give you a sense of arranging your Python files where they should be. So select the Python folder now, then you click on open, then you can give it a name, that's give the file name now. You can call it hello world. Now there is no need of putting .py because it is already in Python extension, so you can take up the .py, then you can click on save now, and very quickly you can see now once we minimize the IDLE, very quickly you can see now it has that logo of a Python application. You can see it's saying type.jetbrains PyCharm, stuff like that. So I'll close the folder now. I'm going back to the IDLE already, which is this one. So now the first thing to do on Python is a very simple user-friendly language. That I can just make a variable by saying name equals, let's call it VTech design, just like this, and I can now use print to reveal what the variable is holding. So once I've done this, I'll save, Ctrl S to save what I just finished adding, and I can click on run and I can select run module, and now it's showing us VTech Design International. So this is how you can run your first Python application. Anytime you feel like you can run your first Python application, you can see. So the name here is simply the identifier or the name of the variable, and this is the value of the variable, and this is used to print out the print method is used to print out everything that a variable is carrying. And also, like other programming languages, in Python we don't put semicolon here to end the line of code because Python does not allow that at all. So thank you. You can always drop your comments and always ask for questions or tutorials you want me to work on, and remember to subscribe to my channel and also thumbs up and share the videos to your friends and families. Thank you. God bless you. Till we see you again. Shalom.